everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Ivy Canon photo printer is so fun. I love that I can actually print off the pictures so quickly and easily, and in such a portable way. It prints 2-inch by 3-inch pictures or circle pictures, and they both are printed off as stickers. I love this for my memory planner because when I can add a photo, it really reminds me of what I did that day or month and how I felt. And because they are already stickers, scrapbooking and memory planning becomes super fast, and it adheres so nicely to the page. The setup of the printer and the app are so simple and intuitive. It gives you the creativity to create collages or even use preloaded specialty backgrounds or just preloaded pictures like little cupcakes. This Canon IVY photo printer makes it so easy and fun to capture and preserve those important and everyday memories. And that's my point of view.